Hello and welcome to OHW News. The Bihar Assembly elections are just around the corner and political heat in the state is rising. We have in the past spoken about the NDA and its internal issues in the state of Bihar. It did come as quite a shocker when Lok Janashakti Party decided to contest the assembly elections in the state separately and not with the BJP-JDU alliance. The party will field candidates on 143 seats. On the other hand, the BJP has made amply clear that it will stick to JDU and made Nitish Kumar the face of the alliance and the CM face. However, the party is no longer a younger brother in the state and thus the seat sharing formula between the two parties is 50-50. Interestingly, the LJP president Chirag Paswan has clarified that he accepts the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but he will contest against Nitish Kumar's JDU in the state. So he has fielded maximum candidates on seats that are being contested by the JDU. While there is a speculation that this move could have been fueled by the BJP to diminish Nitish Kumar in the state, the party has warned LJP or any other candidate that they will field from using PM Modi's photo in election campaigns. Some leaders from the BJP had rebelled and joined the LJP to get a ticket. It has also issued a warning to them. But what is the exact reason for Paswan clan to go separate ways from the NDA alliance in the state? A leaked letter has the details. LJP President Chirag Paswan, in a 6-page letter to BJP President JP Nadda on September 24th, 10 days prior to formal decision by his party to go solo, had explained his party's position. And the main reason of the fallout was Rajya Sabha elections. According to the reports, he said in the letter, Nitish Kumar's demeaning behavior towards Lok Janashakti Party patriarch Ram Vilas Paswan during the Rajya Sabha elections was one of the key reasons for the LJP to raise a flag of rebellion against him. At a joint press conference by the BJP and the JDU to announce the NDA's seat-sharing arrangement, Kumar, answering questions on the political battle with the LJP, had said, could Ram Vilas Paswan get his Rajya Sabha seat without the assistance of the JDU? Could they have managed a Rajya Sabha seat on the basis of their 2 MLAs? It was only because of the assistance of BJP and JDU that Ram Vilas Paswan could get a Rajya Sabha seat. Now, in the 2015 assembly elections, the LJP fought 42 seats but only managed to win 2 seats with less than 5% of the vote share. In his letter, Chirag Paswan said that his father Ram Vilas Paswan was mistreated by Nitish Kumar. During the discussion on seat distribution ahead of the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, in which then BJP President Amit Shah, Nitish Kumar, Chirag Paswan along with his father were present, it was decided that LJP will get 6 Lok Sabha seats and 1 Rajya Sabha seat. But just before the nomination process began, Chirag Paswan said that the Bihar Chief Minister changed the track and refused to support Ram Vilas Paswan's nomination for Rajya Sabha, claiming that he was not told about any such agreement. Now, Chirag Paswan goes on to say in the letter that his father was forced to go to the Chief Minister's residence to seek his support despite prior agreement. Nitish Kumar did not behave appropriately with Ram Vilas Paswan when he went to visit him. The Bihar Chief Minister, Chirag Paswan says, snubbed his father and despite many requests did not go to the assembly to file the nomination papers with him. Now, Nitish Kumar did come to the assembly but in his own car and after the scheduled time. Chirag Paswan says Nitish Kumar's subsequent statements about his father were equally dismissive, including claiming ignorance about Ram Vilas Paswan's ill health while Prime Minister Narendra Modi had been in constant touch with him to inquire about his father. Now, Chirag also accused Nitish Kumar of not consulting anybody from his party on the coronavirus pandemic and not meeting or talking to him or replying to his letters despite seeking time to discuss the Bihari First campaign. Chirag also asserted that Nitish refused to take in migrant workers in the state who were returning from the other states during the lockdown and did nothing to alleviate the flood-affected people despite ruling for 15 years. He said in the letter there is a distinct wave against Nitish in the state and the BJP at present is capable of winning the election on its own chief ministerial candidate. He said, I am busy tending to my ill father and encouraging our party workers to ensure the victory of the NDA, but some JDU leaders are calling me Kalidas middleman and are threatening to break my nose and mouth during this difficult time for me. Now this is what Chirag Paswan had written in the letter. This letter came out just 2 days ago. It was leaked 2 days ago, just before the news of passing away of Mr. Ramvilas Paswan hit the headlines. Today, as Mr. Paswan's mortal remains reached Patna airport where he will be cremated. He will be cremated at Digha Ghat in Patna. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and Chirag Paswan at the Patna airport had a very emotional exchange. Now, if we talk about the on-ground situation, the wave does seem in favor of BJP-JDU alliance, but there is a resentment against Nitish Kumar, who is also facing 15 years of anti-incumbency. What remains to be seen is what effect will this letter have in the upcoming campaign rallies of the political parties. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. For our Bihar election coverage, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.